hood with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good weed.
Hi mga chingu! Hello! So, again, this is Tinay Pang Iayo, and today we're gonna do a Tinay TV vlog. Ang hirap sabihin. So, yun. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng vlog, and today we're gonna go to Hub Makeup Lab at First United Building in Escolta. And today, Vintage Camera Market is going to have a Intro to Film workshop. And today, we're gonna attend that event. And actually, kailangan ko na umalis. It's actually 8:08. So, we're supposed to be there by 8:30 because the event is gonna start on around 9. So, today, I'm just gonna show you guys yung outfit of the day ko. So, since pagpapawisan kami sa labas, medyo kinapalan ko na to dahil alam nyo naman, pawisin ako. So, my brows is Clio, and then my cheeks is from Elena Cosmetics, and then my lips is Dear Darlington from Etude House. And then, let's show my outfit. So, my outfit of the day is, yeah, this is from Adidas, and then my short is from Uniqlo, and then my shoes is Adidas from Shopee. So, yun ang outfit of the day ko, and let's go to the event.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy, just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky, bad bitches till we die. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many, smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, swearing cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snap. We look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky, bad bitches till we die. We so fly. We so fly.
Ang budget lang nating 5 is 750 pesos.
Hi guys!
Mas lalaki yung budget natin.
So, punta kami ng Binondo. Doon kami mag-shoot. So, ito na yung camera. Ewan ko lang kung kita. Yan. So, doon kami mag-shoot tsaka kakain kasi di pa kumakain. Hindi din sila kumain. So, tara. Ikutin natin ang Binondo at ang Escolta. Ay, bango. Hopya mahu, hopya bago.
Don't Chinese people. Screenshot ko lang mga pupuntahan natin.
Ay, ano? Parang...
Hindi pala po lang.
Ah!
Nagtaka sila, no? Bakit puro pagkain yung picture ng mga to? Kasi yung dami na.
Ay, wala upuan.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy travels with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety.
Ay, okay. Oh!
Iba rin to, no?
May bayad ba to?
Free. Free lang?
For the whole month of February.
Ito, expo. Expo.
Perfume.
Itong artist din kasi ito. Walang signal dito.
Wala nga. Nakita niyo na? Nagbubuk na daw siya eh. Diba? Wala masyadong tao. Mas maganda pa pala tong view na to eh.
Sila pala makapicture.
Ang ganda ng view. Gawin. Ayan na sila. Picture na daw. Okay, ayan na. Wait. Aray ko. So hey guys, that was the vlog from the VCM event experience, and it's a place where you can rent film cameras if you guys are interested in doing film photography. And I will link the description or maybe put on my blog and just link it there for you guys to know more about it. It's my first time to do film photography, and oh my god, I hope you guys will really try it, because it's perfect for date with your friends. And if you guys want to do something with your family, you can bond together. Sobrang highly recommended ko siya. If you guys don't wanna rent the cameras, you can buy yung lumang cameras before. I forgot what it's called. I'm just gonna put it here and I'm gonna link it here. You can buy that, and then you can just buy a film sa kanila and then just go around Escolta and Binondo. I swear, Escolta and Binondo is the perfect place to do film photography and just roam around and go around and take some photos. I know for now you can't do that, but I wish I can help you add some things you can do, like to-do list or bucket list for you guys after this pandemic ends. I know a lot of you are thinking, what are the things that are nice to do after this? I want to live my life nicely and, sulitin mo yung buhay mo and just do all those kinds of stuffs. And I think this one is one of the things you should put on your bucket list, because kahit hindi ka naman artistic, it's fun to do, and lalabas yung creative side mo, or challenge yung brain mo to do something, and it's good and it's something different. And hindi mo naman kailangang maging creative person or someone in the creative field just for you to be able to try this. It's for everyone, I swear. You will learn. I mean, there's a talk before the actual shooting, like going around and roaming around and taking pictures. They will teach you there, but I can say I love the whole idea of VCM and I love VCM, but I had some points I hope they can change and fix or make it better. I hope that the people that will teach you there are really photographers. I think the person who was teaching us the basics was a camera enthusiast. I think a camera enthusiast is some people, they're really good collecting cameras, but some of them, they just collect lang but doesn't really shoot. I mean, they know the basics, but if parang yung mga beginner want someone that can teach them, or ask if they ask questions, that person will be answering the questions and not just, making jokes na parang di ko rin kasi alam like that. It's better for us to have someone talagang professional that knows what to answer. I mean, I'm not shading them, but that's just what I noticed, and I hope they can fix it. Na sana they can bring someone knowledgeable na photographer every time they would do those kinds of events and workshops, para mas maintindihan ng hindi photographer. I am a photographer, I'm a graphic artist, and I started being a photographer. I'm not yet a perfect photographer, and I go to workshops for me to learn more that I haven't really learned, even though I have been taking photos for a long time. But if beginner kasi ang tao, mas magandang someone really experienced, or someone who really knows camera, both digital and film, para maturo sa kanila what's the difference and what's this and what's that, tips and tricks. So yeah, that's what I really noticed. But all in all, they were really, really accommodating. Sobrang bait nila. Even the teacher who taught us the basics, and then the people working in VCM, sobrang bait nila. And I really, really want to come back. If ever this pandemic or lockdown ends, I will really go back there. And yeah, it's a good way to meet new people. It's a new way for you to learn how to interact with other people, or of course learn a new skill, or do something you always wanted to do but never tried. So this one, intro to film photography workshop, is really fun. Or kahit hindi ka mag-workshop doon, kahit mag-rent ka lang ng camera and just spend the whole day taking pictures, it's really fun. I do highly recommend it. I hope we can save the film photography industry, kasi that's where it started. Before we did digital, that's it. We shouldn't let it die. And yeah, I'm also, if I get a job sooner or later after the quarantine or the lockdown, I'm thinking of getting my own film camera and going back and going around Escolta and going to other places and taking film photography too, and maybe abroad. We'll never know. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I hope you guys would take in this idea of trying to do film photography. Even just trying it out, there's no problem with doing that. And I hope everyone will save the film industry. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next vlog and other planned videos. I hope for you guys to be safe and wash your hands and be clean and take care. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.